Under the night sky, in Guiyang's glow, 在云纹路步行街 where the cool winds blow. It's 10:30 on a Wednesday night. The city's alive, what a sight. Qingyun Pedestrian Street, Green Cloud Road where we meet. Nightlife, so lively and bright. Filming the magic, 10:30 at night. Shops and laughter, music in the air. People strolling without a care. It's 10:30, can you believe? On a Wednesday night, no one wants to leave. Qingyun Pedestrian Street, Green Cloud Road where we meet. Nightlife, so lively and bright. Filming the magic at 10:30 at night. Neon lights and street food delights. Dancing shadows, what a sight. It's 10:30, can you believe? On a Wednesday night, no one wants to leave, Neon lights and street food delights. Dancing shadows, what a sight. It's 10:30 and we're still here. On a all-movable hangai with cheer. Qingyun Pedestrian Street, Green Cloud Road where we meet. Nightlife, so lively and bright. Filming the magic at 10:30 at night.
So I've been doing different videos of this a little bit earlier tonight. It's a Wednesday night, it's a weekday. It is in June, but there's a lot of activity going on around here at nighttime. So I thought I would just capture it a little bit more and add another video because I'm here anyways. They're even dancing over there. That could affect my video, I don't know. Better be careful. But we're gonna walk around and kind of show you what the streets look like at 10:30 at night on a Wednesday night in Guiyang. Can you believe it? That was Guiyang at 10:30 at night. So yeah, I just created that little music with AI, just kind of playing around the lyrics, and created the music out of another AI program, put them together, and then put it on here. But all the film footage is mine. So I created that while I was in Guiyang. So next, what I'm going to be doing is showing you on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then I'm going to get into the walk and talk where I walk around with a camera, and then you can hear all about it as well from that context from a person who's actually there. So I hope you like this one of Guiyang. And by the way, this is the second to last one of Guiyang, but I have tons of them down below. So if you want to click around those links, and you can see some other images of Guiyang as well. And I also got one more coming, so stay tuned for that. I'll upload it probably in about 5 or 6 days, next week sometime. And that'll be the last of the series of the Guiyang. So hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like this one too. Wednesday night in Guiyang. Still pretty lively. It's a Wednesday, so I didn't quite expect that. They're dancing behind me. It's going to capture it on film, but there's a possibility that that could ruin my narration. So we're going to walk away from that. But yeah, we're in Guiyang. We're kind of in this busy pedestrian street. It's Wednesday. It's about 10:30 p.m. There's a bar street over here. There's all kinds of cool stuff. There's a lot of people walking around. There's more music that might affect my video. Oh no, got a streamer here. Hello. People are so friendly here. So this one is a club, and so earlier when I walked by there wasn't a whole lot going on at that time because it was about 8:30 or 9. But now there's people outside drinking beer, enjoying this street called Bar Street, and people are super friendly. And that goes into a restaurant area, and you can actually even buy drinks here, which is kind of amazing. But that's like a food court right here, and you can actually come in and buy beer, soju. Food court down there. It's like pictures on the wall right here. I did film some of these previously because I walked around quite a bit, but now these are maybe the dancers for the... So they might be the dancers, so it says feeling show. Then we got Foam and Hops, which is another bar. So yeah, it's 10:30 at night and it's a little bit livelier now. And I wonder, like on a weekend, this must be like really, really busy. So we're gonna walk. Oh, this one has like a little bit of a bar area. There's a lot of different directions I could go. I was gonna go into the food court, but I have been filming that a little bit already. I've actually filmed all this a little bit already. But the bars weren't lively like they are now. And I think they're gonna get livelier as it gets later. So we're gonna head on over this street. So they got more kind of restaurants, cafes, different stuff. There's more I want to see in Guiyang. My time here is kind of short, actually. I just made time to come over here. So I basically have one night and about, well, one night, which is kind of like almost 2 days, sort of. Oh, so this one is actually another bar right here too. So they're playing maybe a bar game, maybe? So we're gonna keep on going all the way down here. Yeah, I'm like really kind of in this feeling that I wish I had at least 2 nights in Guiyang. I just didn't really expect it to be, I didn't know what to expect. You don't really have an idea what something is like until you go there. So I made a point of coming here with the limited time that I have, and I'm able to capture some video footage. But I am kind of curious what it would be like to spend a couple days here. There's a lot of tourist attractions in the whole area. I guess I can always come back. It's not too far from Macau. I could research more and try to see all the different stuff in this region. So this street's called Wutong Street that we're on. The first one we were on was called Bar Street. And this one has more boutique shops. Yeah, this is a nice city though. Like I couldn't tell initially because it's hard to tell until you can get to the spots like this. But now that I'm here, I like the way it's designed. I like the way it's set up. especially this area. And I haven't really seen many people talk about it either, so. So I don't know if it's, I think it's relatively new, but I'm not so sure. And it sounds like there's other areas as well, and the city is big. It's so 7 or 8 million, or 5 or 6 million or something like that. So it's a fairly large city. And I like how they have their pedestrian street and all the restaurants and also like bars and clubs all in the same area. I keep seeing this Roxburghy juice. I'm not sure what that is exactly, but so that was the bar street right there. This is the streamer right there as well. So it looks like they might have another streamer. Something different now. Oh, they're taking turns? Yeah, I think they're taking turns. So now the guy's gonna go out of turn. Yeah, it just feels like this is gonna get livelier and livelier. Yeah, I wish I had more time here. I'm kind of getting a good feel for it. And I wish I had I got my hotel is about 2 kilometers away from here. And I don't know what that area is like at all in the evening either. I know this motai is famous and comes from Guiyang though. And I guess what I'm gonna do for this video is I'm gonna walk out to the pedestrian street. And I have to make a decision if I'm going to leave this area altogether and see what else is around in Guiyang, or stick around. Difficult decision. Okay. So right now we're coming out to a pedestrian street. And this pedestrian street is kind of interesting because it has all these apartments and they all light up a little bit. So, and they all have nice balconies. Like some of these have balconies that wrap around on the corners. Like you wonder how much that would cost. And I think because it's Guiyang, maybe not much. And I feel like there might be so many different areas in Guiyang that this might not be, I don't know if it's the best area or just one of several good areas. Definitely feel like I need to explore it more. And I think people are really friendly too. Like even when the streamers were, when I was in Wuhan, I saw lots of streamers in other cities, and they were just kind of doing their thing. They weren't really interested in, maybe I don't understand the culture, streamer culture. Anyways, we're gonna walk out to the street here, and then I'm gonna make a decision. I think I'm gonna have to see what my area looks like, where my hotel is at, because I just have no idea. I checked in and left much earlier. And now we're gonna come out to this main street. That's a little I love Guiyang sign. That's part of the pedestrian street. It goes down 2 full blocks, and then it goes down a 3rd block on the other side. So you can also go across it that way. I do kind of wonder if that's more lively now. Only got 3 seconds to go across. So I think what I'm going to do is we're going to come to an ending. And I'm going to try to go back to where my hotel is at and see what that area looks like at nighttime. But I feel like this might be one of the coolest areas to be in, personally. But nonetheless, got to see what I can see. Guiyang. But you can see what parts of China looks like.